Yeah. So with the YMCA, it's interesting. Now, for 25 years, I worked at the Y. I've never paid a gym membership until this last year when I lived in Denver after the COVID. I just signed up. I just want to try Planet Fitness and I loved it. Well, I know little kids running around. I love the Y too, but I love Planet Fitness. I like getting the massage chairs and just all that stuff. Um, but it's the opposite. There, it's like a meat market. You think you at a little all these hoochie mama outfits they be wearing. I'm like, where's she going? Where her cheeks is showing? So and so I didn't feel comfortable. I felt like I was overdressed with a t-shirt and shorts. I'm like, oh my God. Like, should I have on a bikini to work out? Am I like underdressed? So that's the difference I noticed too. Like when you go to them type of gyms, I know anybody ever noticed that, like in those Planet Fitness and gyms like that, that the women be dressing very risque fitness clothes, or just me?
We have a LA Fitness, and yes, it's like that in LA. It looks like a club.
Hmm.
Certain times of
Like
the
some churches, right?
year.
Like some churches, you're like, where you going? All right. Yeah, so reduce distractions that we were talking about. You don't want to be distracted, privacy. Those are some pros of indoor activities.